Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will be sharing with you the recipe for Waldorf salad with berries. Here are the ingredients. Waldorf salad is a fruit salad that originated from Astoria, New York, USA. It consists of fresh apples, grapes, celery, and roasted walnuts. The dressing is made out of mayonnaise, lemon, yogurt, black pepper, salt, and honey. Here's how to make it. Wash all the fruits. Then start by slicing the green apples. Then 3 stalks of celery. And red apples. Put half of the lemon juice to avoid oxidation of the apples, as lemon juice prevents apples from turning brown. Mix well. Cut 1 cup of grapes in half. Then add 1 cup of blueberries. Then slice strawberries. Then add it into the bowl, as they are good for diabetics and have a low glycemic index. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, make the dressing in a separate bowl. Add 1/8 cup of mayonnaise. And 1/8 cup of Greek yogurt, or any plain yogurt. Add the remaining lemon juice and honey. Mix well. Pour the dressing into the salad, so it incorporates with the fruits. Mix well. Lastly, roast the walnuts and chop them into little pieces and put them on top of the salad. Chill, and then it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Hope you liked my video. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.